Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. Today, I have an exciting pair. This is probably one of the shoes that I view as like a holy grail shoe that I wasn't able to get back in the early release days, and I was able to get for a newer release or a more recent release. So we have the Black Cat 4s 2025 edition. These came out November 28, 2025. A size 12 is currently going for as of today, March 5th, is currently going for 300, 310 on StockX. And these are retailing for 220. Okay, so I know a lot of the shoes kind of go down in value over time, like the pretty much almost all the like retro ones that come out as of late, especially like the reimagines, or not reimagines, the self-expressions. They at the time were $99 when I got them for $185. But we have the Black Cat 4s. Now those of y'all that know, I forget what year. In 2020, they released the Black Cat 4s in 2020, and a size 12 right now, as of today, is going for about $675, almost $700. So this is a shoe that I believe is going to continue to increase over time in value. And I don't really know why, but it's just an all black shoe, suede and nubuck, mostly nubuck on the sides, black interior, Nike Air on the back, and the Jordan on the front with the Jordan stamp. And these bad boys are just a holy grail shoe. Every year, the Black Cat 4s, whenever they drop, not every year, but every drop, they are going to sell out and they're going to increase in value. It's just a sleek, nice looking shoe quality. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and throw these bad boys on foot. First, let me show you all the box. The box is just nothing crazy. That's the box, size 12, there's the SKU. So we're gonna throw these bad boys on the feet, show you what they look like. Look at the bad boys right there. The Black Cat 4s. I have the only probably holy grail shoe, or shoe that I view as like a holy grail. Like the Black Cats is one of those shoes people gotta get. I guess the patent leather breads might be one, but the Black Cats is just a shoe I've wanted. I've had my eye on and thought about getting them resale a while ago, and they re-dropped them in 2025, and I was able to get them retail. So I got the 4s. Let me know what you guys think. If you were able to get them, if you want to get them, what you're excited for that's about to drop, and I'll catch you guys next time.